and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my recipe for hot tandoori chicken dip. It is a cheesy baked dip with the flavors of tandoori, and I'm going to show you an amazing shortcut so that you don't have to make tandoori chicken, but you still get all the flavor. I love this dip paired with tortilla chips or pita on the side, and this is a great one for when you're just watching TV or even great for the holidays. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos, and of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make hot tandoori chicken dip. The very first thing we're going to do is create our tandoori flavor base. So in this bowl, I have a little bit of plain yogurt and we're going to season it up. So I have a whole host of spices here, some dried kasoori methi, some ground nutmeg, Kashmiri chili powder, as well as garam masala. Those are all going to go into the mix. Next, I'm going to grate in some fresh ginger, as well as some fresh garlic. I'm gonna season things up with a touch of salt, and we're gonna squeeze in the juice of half a lime. And now we're gonna mix things all together until they're nice and incorporated. The color of this tandoori sauce is absolutely gorgeous. It's like this sort of blush red color, so iconic. And now is where we're gonna introduce our chicken. So now you don't have to be a hero for this. I certainly am not being a hero today. I went to my local grocery store, picked up a roasted chicken, and chopped up the chicken so that I had about a cup and a half. Now that's gonna go into my tandoori sauce, and we're gonna give it a nice mix to coat so those flavors can infuse into the chicken. Our chicken smells so good. You can really smell the ginger, garlic, and spices coming through. And now it's time to work on our cream cheese mayo base. Okay, so I have a little bit of cream cheese here. It's just a block of Philly that has come up to room temperature. And to that, I'm going to add a touch of mayo, and we're gonna cream these together until they're nice and smooth. Now we're gonna add in my tandoori chicken mixture as well as some shredded cheese. I'm using a Tex-Mex blend today, but you can use whatever you like. And for a bit of freshness, some chopped green onions as well as coriander. And we're gonna fold everything through until it's nice and incorporated. I'm now gonna place my dip in a baking dish and smooth it out into one even layer. I'm gonna top off with a little additional cheese, and now it's ready for the oven. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna pop this guy in for about 20 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly and gooey. Let's do it. My tandoori chicken dip is hot out of the oven. The entire place smells like tandoori right now, so I think we're right on track. I have a little tortilla chip here. Let's go in for the dip. Oh my goodness. Look at all that cheese. I can't wait. This is gonna be a hot bite, but I'm sure it's gonna be one of the best bites in the world. Let's go for it. Hot. You guys, hot damn. This is so good. This is the dip to end all dips. You get such intense tandoori flavor, and then paired with the cream cheese and the gooey Tex-Mex cheese, it comes together so beautifully. And when you take that crisp tortilla chip and you dip it into the dip, oh my God, I can't even tell you. Hot, crisp, creamy, all of it comes together so beautifully. You may not even want to share. You might want to just sit here with this entire platter for yourself, and I don't blame you for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.